Welcome. If you've been wondering how to control who can tag you on Instagram, especially with the latest update, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow tags only from people you follow when using Instagram on your PC. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're on the home screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines there. Go ahead and click on those lines to open up the main menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This is where all your account controls and privacy options live. Inside Settings, scroll a little until you see the option labeled Tags and Mentions. Click on that to open the tagging controls. Now, this is where the important part comes in. You'll see different options for who can tag you in posts. Look for the option that says Allow tags from people you follow. Select that option. By choosing this, you're limiting tags to only people you follow, which helps you avoid unwanted or random tags from strangers.